In this video, you will learn how to split a file in SPSS. Splitting a file works only on categorical variables. Categorical variables that have subgroups. Like for instance, as you can see, the data set we have here, gender, which is a categorical variable, and it has subgroups of male and female. So you want to run the same statistical test on this categorical variable, on these subgroups, and you want their results or their outputs to come out separately. In order for this to be possible, you have to split this variable, these subgroups. So the procedure for splitting a file is to click on data, then split files. Split files. Then you have your independent variable, which is this gender, and which is what we want to split. But first of all, you click on organize output by groups, then you click on gender, then you move it into the box, groups based on box. So you leave it at sort the file by grouping variables, and you click OK. OK. So now our variable has been splitted, subgroups have been splitted. So now we have male. It has been sorted based on the gender, male first, then female follows. So you have male from the first row to the 11th row, then we have female from the 12th row to the 20th row. So that's how to split a file. So when you have splitted this file and you've run the test, it is advisable that you unsplit them in case if another data analyst wants to use it. So in order to unsplit them, when you are done, you still click on data, then you click on split into split files, data, split file, then you click on analyze all cases and you click OK. Now you have unsplit your data, split file off. So that's how to split and unsplit data in SPSS. For more SPSS tutorial, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.